Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm Microsoft's Surface for Business Evangelist. Surface is built with quality. They are premium devices designed to make sure employees receive reliable, rich experiences that they can use day in, day out. I was fortunate enough to get the opportunity to fly over to our Microsoft headquarters in Redmond and speak to Surface engineers on the process it takes to develop our portfolio. From the inside out, materials used to build Surface are chosen after rigorously testing. Elements that are critical to internal mechanics like circuitry components, hinges, even adhesives are tested repeatedly to ensure the best quality goes into our products. We also simulate real-world abuse with repetitive drop tests, use of temperature and humidity chambers, while also placing them in dusty environments. We continually adjust those tests to meet the changing needs of our customers, even evolving them to support companies embracing the digital transformation and remote work scenarios. If you'd like to learn more, head to the link below.